By using the thermal fogging, we're getting the odor counteracted into spaces that I can't, that nobody can reach with their hands. I'm able to get into crevices, wall cavities, under items, cabinets, whatever I need to. I mean, I can literally just point it anywhere I want to, and if the fog goes, then the counteracting is going to go with it. We're attacking those smaller, odor particulates that you can't see with the naked eye that's still in the pores of materials, in wood, or in some instances drywall. It's getting into the pores of the material and counteracting with the odor.